power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Hello to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2026. These are not just cars. They are rolling pieces of art that combine extreme luxury, performance, and absolute exclusivity. Get ready to discover machines only a handful of people on Earth can own. Number 5. SP Automotive Chaos. $14.4 million. In 5th place, we have the SP Automotive Chaos, priced at about $14.4 million. This hypercar pushes boundaries with advanced engineering, extensive use of 3D printed components, and performance figures designed to rival the biggest names in the industry. Number 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. $17 million. In 4th place is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, valued at roughly $17 million. Built in extremely limited numbers, this Italian masterpiece showcases Pagani's obsession with craftsmanship, lightweight materials, and artistic engineering. Number 3. Bugatti Voiture Noire. $18.7 million. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Bugatti Voiture Noire, with a price tag of around $18.7 million. This one-of-a-kind hypercar combines stunning design with brutal performance and stands as one of the rarest Bugattis ever made. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boattail. $28 million. In 2nd place, we have another Rolls-Royce icon, the Boattail, priced at approximately $28 million. Inspired by luxury yachts, this car includes unique features such as a built-in hosting suite, a refrigerator, and handcrafted accessories designed for ultimate luxury. Number 1. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. $30 million. Taking the number 1 spot is the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, officially the most expensive car in the world in 2026, with a price of around $30 million. This masterpiece represents the peak of bespoke luxury, handcrafted with incredible attention to detail and produced in extremely limited numbers. Fun fact: this model features a removable carbon fiber roof, offering an open-top experience without sacrificing rigidity or elegance. Summate: the top 5 most expensive cars. 1 Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail, $30 million. 2 Rolls-Royce Boattail, $28 million. 3 Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. 4 Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. 5 SP Automotive Chaos, $14.4 million. So those were the top 5 most expensive cars in the world in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for remember content like this. Thanks for watching.